guys, this is the Ninja Air Fryer, the 300 series. Come on box with me, okay? So, I've been wanting to get an air fryer and I did quite a good research and I observed that the Ninja has the best in the market. So I said to myself, why not get this beautiful product? Oh my god, this is so heavy, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it upside down, flip it, and see how it comes out. Okay. So I'm gonna flip it back. Ta-da! So I got the 300 series. I think there is one of 400 series, the one for 9.5 liters. But this is about 7.6 liters. Yeah, so okay, this might come in handy. Okay, oh my god, this is so big. Okay. Okay, this is quite large. Ta-da! I know, right? This is so cute. I can't wait to keep this somewhere in my kitchen. So, oh, this is sealed. I'm just gonna take this out a bit. Yeah. Wow. This is quite large, to be sincere. I could say it will fit a kg or two of a few full chicken. So, and it has this compartment here. It can be removed. See, this is the actual size, and so yeah, this is the size, and I love this. It's quite shiny here. So, and this is the other compartment which I'm about to open. So it has this inside too, same size as this. As you can see, I don't know if you could tell the size from the video, but it's quite okay. And then this is the inside, how it looks like. Then these are the buttons. I think this is for the zone 1 and the second air fryer, and it has 6 functions. It has the max crisp, it has the air fryer, it has a roast, it has the reheat, the dehydrate, and the bake. So it has 6 functions, and I would say it's worth quite the money, you know, and they delivered quite on time. Yeah, it was I think 24 to 48 hours delivery, but it came right on time when I needed it the most. So yeah, are you convinced to get this air fryer, or do you need more videos? Thanks for watching Joy Giver TV. Bye.